Welcome to Alpha Teknik Industries LLC, where we manufacture high-quality multi-layer water tanks. Let's take you through the step-by-step process of making a durable and hygienic water tank. The process begins with high-quality polyethylene granules. These are UV stabilized and food grade to ensure durability and safety. First layer, the raw material is loaded into the mold. The first layer is a white polyethylene layer with UV stabilization, protecting the tank from sunlight. The mold is closed and the rotational molding process begins. Heating and cooking the first layer, the mold rotates inside an oven at high temperatures, ensuring even distribution of the first layer. This layer forms the strong outer surface of the tank. Adding the second layer, black UV stabilized layer. Once the first layer is set, black polyethylene is added for the second layer. This layer enhances UV resistance and provides additional strength. The mold is heated again to fuse this layer seamlessly with the first. Adding the third layer, next, we add a polyethylene foam layer for thermal insulation. This helps maintain water temperature, reducing heating or cooling effects from the environment. The mold undergoes another heating cycle to bond this layer properly. Adding the fourth layer, inner antibacterial white layer. The last layer is a special white food-grade polyethylene with antifungal and antibacterial properties. This ensures safe, clean water storage while preventing bacterial growth inside the tank. Once again, the mold is heated to complete the multi-layer structure. Cooling process. After all four layers are fused, the mold is cooled using air. Cooling solidifies the tank and ensures it retains its perfect shape. Mold opening and tank removal. Once the tank is fully cooled, the mold is opened and the final product is carefully removed. Each tank undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure quality and durability. Finishing and quality control. The tanks are trimmed, polished, and checked for any defects. A final quality test is conducted to ensure leak-proof performance.